months, right? January, February, and so on and so forth, right? And left of that, I have, let's say, the name of an employee. Okay. Now the thing is, I want to have Ram in these cells, correct? In these cells, I want to have Ram because that's important for me to do some analysis. And then Ravi here, right? And so on and so forth. So that's what I want, but this is the data that has been given to me. Okay, that's how it has been given. Now I can, of course, keep dragging it till here and then till here and so on and so forth. But as you can understand, you can do it for 4 names, 5 names, 10 names. But if you have 1,000 such names, that's not quite advisable. I mean, it's just too much of a problem. Okay. What comes to our rescue is this very sweet feature that Excel has called GoTo, right? Now, here's how it works. First, you select this range, Control-Shift-Star, you select the entire range, and then press F5. Press F5. Okay? You should all be looking at this pop-up.
Sir, can you just repeat?
Repeat, okay? I mean, just press F5, that's all. I mean, select this range. First, select this range, Control-Shift-Star.
Okay.
Okay? And just then press F5, function key F5. Okay? Okay? So in some of your laptops, F5 won't work, so you have to press Fn, the function Fn key, and then F5. Okay? So if you've done the right things, right combinations, then this is what you should see right at this moment, right on your screen. Okay? So you have this box go to, and there's a reference and so on and so forth. Ignore it for the moment. You learn all of this later. But right now, let's click on this special, the special button. And this is what will come up. Okay? Okay? And then what you do is just select blanks. Select blanks. And press OK. Select blanks and press OK. You'll see that Excel has selected all the blanks. You can see that, right? Okay. Now what you do is don't click anywhere because we want this selection to be there. Just type equals. You can see where I'm typing, right? You just type equals previous equals C4. You're writing a formula equals C4. And then press Control Enter. Press Control Enter. And your job's done. Okay. So again, things which otherwise would have taken a macro or something like that can be done very easily in Excel using code. Okay. Everybody's fine? No issues anywhere?
Sir,
everybody's fine.
What is the role of control plus enter? What does control do?
Enter is as you know, enter is for just that cell. So if you have to do it for all the selected cells, you press Control Enter. So just do it once again with just enter and you'll understand what it is. Okay.
Please repeat the last step.
The what? Last? Okay, let me do it again. Let me do the entire thing. Right, so this is what we have, right? So now, as I said, select this entire range, F5, right? And then special. and then go to blanks and say OK. Yeah, say OK. And you can see that Excel has selected the blank cells in the range. The blank cells in that range. Okay. And then you write a formula, right? Because you want Excel to really copy what you have in the previous cell. So write equals previous. And this is the formula that will get copied. But if you press enter, you get RAM only in 5. If you do it for all the cells, you have to press Control Enter. That's all. Okay. Now let's look at a few other things in GoTo. And again, as I said, I'm introducing you to most of the features and functions in Excel, but I'm not talking about every little thing in these features. we don't have the time to do that. And plus it gets very boring beyond the point. Okay? I mean, for you, not just for me, for you also. So these are the important things in these features and functions. But later on, please explore the other things also. You never know. Sometimes maybe one feature which is very uncommon is the one that you need for a particular problem. So it's good if you explore all of that, correct? But do that after the class. Okay, I'm just kind of introducing you to the most important things of each feature and each function. Okay, great. Now let's say I write a function. I write a formula. I write 3 into 100, correct? And then I copy it. Okay. So 3 into 100. These are formulas that I have written. Okay. Now what do? I then go and again select Control Shift Star. The entire thing gets selected. I press F5. And then Alt S special or click on special. This opens up, right? And now this time I'm interested in formulas. So if I click on formulas, if I just select formulas and press enter, then you see all formulas get selected. Correct? So the entire E column, all the cells in column E, plus wherever I have the formulas for the names. Correct? But let's say I don't want this. What I want is just the numbers. I can do that by simply go to special and click on formulas and then take these functions, these checkboxes out, right? And just keep numbers. And now say enter. So this gets selected. And now you can change the formula if you want. And you say it's not 3 into 100 really, it's 3 into 50. Okay, press Control Enter and it's all 3 into 50. The formula is changed for all the cells.